Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I want to explain how to add contacts to your smartwatch using the FitPro app. The first thing I recommend is checking if your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. After that, go to the FitPro app icon, press and hold it. Then go to App Info, select Permissions, and enable both Location and Contacts. Next, open the app and connect your smartwatch if it's not already connected. Then go to the Settings option, look for Contacts, and select the option at the top of your screen. Here you will have two ways to add contacts. The first option is to type the name and number to add it manually. The second option is to select the green icon, which will take you directly to your phone's contacts. For this, the contacts permission must be enabled, as I showed at the beginning of the video. Choose a contact and tap OK. This will automatically sync the contact to your smartwatch. If this video was helpful, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe and leave a comment. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next video.